To Anonymous Case Aspirant channel. And as I talked about it yesterday, I'm planning to join one of the test series, and I have joined that. So the exams are starting from 25th of November, and the first test I'd be giving is of essay. So the plan here is now to plan according to the schedule of the test series itself. So the first GS test full length I'd be giving is on 1st of December. So we'll plan the week accordingly. So today is like 23 November. 2 days I'll be starting for GS1 today itself, क्योंकि 1 को एग्ज़ाम है तो there are hardly 7 days left, and as you know, GS1 contains art and culture, history, world history, society part, and the geography, physical geography part. सो बेसिकली दिन तो कम है, बट हमें इस मेरे को आई हैव डिसाइडेड दैट आई डू एज पर द स्केड्यूल, क्योंकि इस हिसाब से फर्स्ट रिविजन ऑफ माई जी एस टेस्ट वुड बी ओवर टिल 19th of December, which is which is quite satisfying कि एक बार हो जाएगा. सो वॉट आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू इज़, जैसे ही मैं जी एस फर्स्ट को स्टार्ट करती हूँ, 3 things आई वुड कीप इन माइंड. फर्स्ट, टू हैव वन A4 size sheet short note of that particular topic. Second, to do PYQs of last year KS paper and UPSC papers. And third is to value add from current affairs. So let's start. 23rd, today is 23rd. So 23rd of November to 30th of November. So yeah, 23rd, let's not go on days because already we are on Tuesday, so that would not work basically. Let's do like this: 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, and one more, 30th. Okay, this is way too complicated. Let's just start from here only. 23rd. So the plan is, first of all, subjects. Art and culture is there, modern Indian history, freedom struggle. Modern Indian history is the time period from when Sirajuddaulah lost the fight till when Gandhiji came and the Champaran movement and all started. वहाँ तक है. And freedom struggle फिर the time period of Gandhiji वहाँ से start होता है. Actually moderates के time period से ही start हो जाता है, from स्वदेशी movement and the time 1905 से ही. So अलग अलग से ही करेंगे, that would be easy to do. Then world history, then society में भी अलग अलग से ही जॉट डाउन कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज उससे क्लियर रहेगा कि हाउ मैनी डेज टू गिव टू ईच टॉपिक. रोल ऑफ women, then diversity in India, then effects of globalization, then social empowerment. So basically 4 subtopics to cover in society. Okay, so that's it. No, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is physical geography. I'm not counting the day, basically 1 day to each. Not counting the day 7, because अगर मैं first को test देने जा रही हूँ तो naturally I need 1 day to revise at least all of these, right? So time बहुत कम है, had to push really hard. Okay, 23rd, let's start from what should we do first? जिसकी वेटेज ज़्यादा है, सोसाइटी एंड देन हिस्ट्री, और वो किया जाए जो नहीं पढ़ा, आर्ट एंड कल्चर। एक्चुअली मेरे पास सोसाइटी के आई हैव ऑलरेडी जॉटेड डाउन नोट्स, इट्स ऑलरेडी, बस उसको थोड़ा सा क्रिस्प करके एक पेज का नोट बनाना है। अगेन इन मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री एंड फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल डन फ्रॉम प्रीलिम्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, स्पेक्ट्रम आई हैव डन ऑलरेडी, उसको भी क्रिस्प करके बनाना है। फिजिकल जोग्राफी, जोग्राफी हैव स्टडीड once but not very confident on that because I struggle a lot with geography. And art and culture just studied from prelims point of view, इतनी confident नहीं हूँ, but इसका तो इतना वेटेज भी नहीं है, so not able to decide क्या करना चाहिए. Okay, let me know in the comment section below, what do you think I should start first. I think for now I'll be starting with history. Yeah, so I'll be doing modern history and freedom struggle today. Modern history. No, let's do freedom struggle today first. Okay, then let's do modern history tomorrow. Then art and culture. Then society. Then physical geography. Then world history. Okay, let's just stick to this. क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है, have to revise all and then test day. Okay, I forgot बीच में I have to go to give test also ना one day. उसमें I'll be wasting some of my time, but cannot do anything. ये सब अब मैनेज करना पड़ेगा, it's part of the life now, can't cringe. 25 को आर्ट एंड कल्चर भी करना है. आई थिंक लेट्स जस्ट शिफ्ट वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री टू दिस डे. आई हैव स्टार्टेड वंस, तो थोड़ा सा इजी रहेगा इस दिन के लिए. या 27, 28, 29. Oh, I'm left with one more day. Yeah, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I'm left with. Okay, let's keep it a buffer day. बीच में यू नेवर नो कि क्या हो जाए, राइट? सो बफर रखते हैं, अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट बीच में नहीं कंप्लीट होता, आई कैन कंप्लीट इट. एंड देन वन is a test day. GS 1. So yeah, that is planned for GS. Similarly, I have to, I think, revise my plan for anthropology also. I'll come up with another video for that. Thank you, and let me now know down below if my plan you think is going on right track, and anything you want to tell me or share, that's welcome. Thank you.